Welcome back. This is Shirley Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If you're new, please click the subscribe button. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we're going to get into it really quickly. Today was a bear market bounce. The Robinhood portfolio was up 3.34%, so that's pretty good. We did see some tech recover. But basically it was a Russell 2000 day. So if we go to my top stocks Facebook group, you'll see that SOFI was one of those Russell 2000 stocks, was up 6%. And as you can see, the ticker earlier today was up fractionally, the Russell 2000, while the Dow Jones stocks were down. ChargePoint and Lucid were up over 4% on the day. So that was a great day in the Russell 2000 or small cap stocks. Now let's go through the Robinhood and see the top stocks of the day. We did have Upstart Holdings up 8.42%. We had NVIDIA was up 2.27%. Datadog was up 10%. ChargePoint, as we showed earlier, was up 7% to close the day. SOFI Technologies was up 9.54%, and Lucid was up 11.75%. So again, after a red day, we have another green day. So it was a great day to sell off some of these stocks if you were in them and you were just not sure how much they were going to last. Today could have been a good day to take profit and just move the money into something else for the long term. Okay, so the small cap stocks rallied, such as ChargePoint, Lucid Motors, and SOFI. SOFI was up 9.54%. So it was a good day in the stock market. Just what we needed. Okay, let's see. Ford recalls thousands of SUVs because the engines might catch fire. That's interesting. Wall Street mixed as Cisco sinks and NVIDIA recovers. Okay, so Cisco did report earnings today and they did fall while NVIDIA did recover up today. Let's see. Warren Buffett Warren Buffett's fund, Berkshire Hathaway, taking a $30 hit on Apple. Okay, so that's what's been going on lately. Of course, Warren Buffett owns a large percent of his Berkshire Hathaway in Apple shares. So those are Berkshire A funds. Okay, and here's why we think Bank of America is well worth watching. Okay, so Bank of America was down today slightly 1%. So it was a decent day, 3.3% in the portfolio. And then if we go over to CNBC, you can see says stock market futures rise slightly while the S&P 500 on the brink of falling into a bear market. Okay, so we, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, the NASDAQ has already fallen and we need to see the S&P and the Dow fall sharply as well. So we need both of those to fall sharply. Once those get to falling, then we might find a bottom for these continuously falling stock market. Okay, so that is the news there. Let's go take a look at the other portfolio. The other portfolio, we did make 1.52%, so a little better than the Robinhood. SOFI Technologies was up 9.54%, as I mentioned. My highest cash gainer, a little over $95. Second place was Okta. Okta was up 7.27%, made me a little over $80. And Tesla did show up today, 0.66%, $79. And stock Lucid Technology, Lucid Group, the EV maker, is up 11%. And now that's down sharply from $27, but today was up over 11%. And also, as I mentioned earlier, the other Russell 2000 ChargePoint was up 10%, up 5%, up to $10 today. So not so bad. It was a pretty decent day in the stock market. As I mentioned, this portfolio was up 1.52% on average. Most of the stocks were up, but we did have quite a few that were down. If we look through here, quite a few. Cisco was down, as I mentioned earlier. The UVXY was down. Kent World Holdings was down 3.58%. So quite a few stocks down. But this is the time if you're looking to get into Apple. Apple is in 138. Wow. So Apple has fallen to 138. Some people are saying we know we hit the bottom when Apple hits 120. 120 is the magic number. People are saying this is when we know Apple, being the top of the NASDAQ, the $1 trillion market cap company at one time, when this hits 125 or 120, people think that's the bottom of the market. Okay, so keep your eye on Apple. I will continuously buy Apple. It's a great stock. Okay. And then let's take a quick look at other opportunities today. Let's just see what else out of my top gainers in history. I know Tesla is in a great position to earn right now. Tesla is a great opportunity to buy under, $800 per share at 714. It did get as low as 600 something today. So that's a good time to get into Tesla. Also, Microsoft under $300, sitting at 254 per share. That's a great opportunity as well. Also, let's see. I like Bank of America, but I also like Marvel Technologies. Here it is. Marvel Technology is one of my top stocks, sitting under $60 per share. This thing has gotten as high as $90. Okay. I'm not saying it's going back to 90, but this is a critical component. These are semiconductors that go into GM and Ford made vehicles. So once production of Ford's new EV gets in full swing, look for Marvel Technologies to pick up. Marvel Technologies chips go into Ford and GMs and other major manufacturers. So keep buying Marvel Technology. It's a great opportunity. And like I said, Tesla under $800, sitting at $700 is a great opportunity as well. Even if it doesn't go back to 1,200, we're still looking at $1,000 per share in Tesla. Okay. So it was a good day in the market. As I mentioned, SOFI Technologies led the way. SOFI was the best stock today on the day. It returned almost $100 today. SOFI Technologies, $95 was the top stock. And also I did post some of these stocks in my Instagram. Here it is, Chili NJ. SOFI, this was about lunchtime, and Upstart Holdings at 1%. Okay, so this was, I think, about early in the morning today. SOFI was up early and Upstart was up. So again, several places where you can see my top stocks posted. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Webull or my Robinhood link below. Thank you and have a good night.